Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my classic size Happy Planner. This is a Franken planned catch-all planner, you know, all that stuff. I've just got a Mod Podge of stuff in this planner. But this week I'm going to be planning in my dashboard section. And it's going to be for the first week in March. So let me go ahead and find it. All right, so this is the week of February 28th through March 6th. So I'm going to go ahead and take those pages off the disc. Now, I have pulled out one of my floral sticker books, and this is Pressed Florals. So I've used this one a couple of times. So I'm feeling like spring, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out and use it today. So I'll go ahead and speed this video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, guys, that is it. I'm going to go ahead and put these back on the disc. This feels like spring. I know it's not spring yet, but, you know, here in the South, who knows what the weather will be next week. So let me go ahead and put these back on the disc. If I can find that section. Okay, should be right here. Here it is. All right, there we go. So I think that turned out pretty cute. Let's see. And I have to have my VB pens to match. I think I'm going to go with this one. This is, I think it's Wisteria. Wisteria. I think that's what that one is called. And let's see. I need another one. How about something bright? That pop of color. So that's Citrus Squeeze. Let's see. Do I have any green? Do I have any green? I have a green. I don't think I want to use those though. But I think I'm going to go with those two. I think those are pretty cute together. So, all right. So that is it. If you like my video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.